Hi everyone. How is everybody doing today? I found these little blue with a little bit of copper look to them in my little bead stash off my bulk buy. So, yeah, I'm going to make a pair of earrings out of them. So, let's get started. I'm using, I think this is 24 gauge. It's really flimsy, so we'll have to make a wrap. And if you hear the frogs, they're screaming right now. Oh, we'll pick up. That's a spacer. And that's probably a 6mm. I'd say that's about the same. So this would be probably about an 8mm. I'm thinking it's an 8. And we'll do them like this. It'll be a simple little elegant looking pair of earrings. Yeah, those little tree frogs out there are noisy little boogers. You wouldn't think that a sound that loud could come out of something so small. Okay, there. Got them strung on. Now let's make a pair of earrings. We'll wire wrap them. I mean, yeah, it's basically what we're doing is wrapping them. And see how thin that is? I just bend it with my fingers. So, yeah, if it's flimsy like that, the best bet is to just wrap it around like that, or you're going to pull it out with your hair. And as you get closer to the edge, just use your pliers, and then that way you get that far, and then you just get as close as you possibly can. And cut it. And then you're going to take your pliers and go in there. And there we go. Let's do the other one. And these are ball pins. They're not head pins. I mean, they're head pins, but they're the ball type. You see. I'm going to try to do some simple things here soon. I just got to get a few ahead because we've been working on the house and decluttering and fixing things that need to be fixed, and I'm behind. And then today I usually make some videos. I worked, so at least I'll have a little extra money next week. Alright, we're going to have to hold this. It's wanting to twist on me, so whenever it wants to twist on you, you just hold it and just don't hit that bead too much. Well, try to get that wire pushed against it, but it don't want to go. There. It's as close as that's going to be. Alright. There's our ear wires. And see how you'll have it bent this way or that way? I always use this as my front. You see? And I'll go like that. And then twist it and get it to hit the back wire so you don't have a gap in there. You never pull it out. You always twist to the side. That way it goes back the way. See? That's to the side. You see what I mean? Yeah, I feel like new people that are just getting started in jewelry might be doing earrings. Young people or something. So that's why I post earrings. And I like earrings, so. And there we go. Little elegant pair of earrings. Simple pair that you can make for someone that you care about. Alright, thanks for watching, and until next time, y'all take care out there. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.